Hello. In this video, we'll talk about mean squared error, often abbreviated as MSE. So all these families of distribution that we've talked about, for example, x is distributed as Poisson lambda. We talk about these and we don't know what the actual parameters are. So here, this lambda is a parameter. But we don't know what it is in reality when all we see is the x1, x2 are random data that comes out of this distribution that we use. So this parameter is unknown. Therefore, we have to estimate it with something like lambda hat. So often when you see the hat, this is the hat. When you see the hat, you know you're probably looking at an estimator. So another example, you say y is binomial in P. Usually we know what n is, that's known, how many trials we're doing, but we don't know what P is, unknown. So we have to come up with some estimator. So we need P hat here. P hat, the estimator. So when we're coming up with these estimators based on our data, so here we've seen the y1, y2, ... and so on to yn. So to tell whether an estimator is good, we use something called the mean squared error, or MSE. So the definition is the expectation of omega minus omega hat. Okay. So this E, this is for expectation, which is just the mean, so the integral over the whole real line, or the sum of all non-zero probabilities. This theta, this is the true parameter. So we're looking at also the expectation of the difference squared, the squared difference. So here's mean, this is where the m comes in, the squared, and this is the error. The error is the difference, mean squared error. So that's where they all come together. The theta is the true parameter value. And the theta hat, that's our estimated theta. So if you were then comparing two estimators, so if you have theta 1, theta hat 1, one estimator, for theta, similarly, you have theta hat 2, another estimator for theta. Then the better theta is the one that minimizes the mean squared error. It's better in the sense that the mean squared error is lower. We say that theta 1 hat is better in the sense of having a lower MSE if the MSE is lower or smaller for theta 1 hat than it is for theta 2 hat.